Today we're gonna make this beautiful chocolate cheesecake. To get started on making our chocolate cheesecake, first we're gonna make our crust. So I have here 1.5 cups of crushed up cookies. So you could do Oreos, you could buy store-bought crushed up cookies already. If you do Oreos though, take out the filling. So you're gonna have to take off the two ends, or you could buy them crushed already. So we're adding that to the bowl, 2 tablespoons of sugar, and then 5 tablespoons of butter. So I have melted butter here. 4. 5 tablespoons, and then we're gonna mix this together so we can make our crust. So once you get the sugar and the butter all mixed together with the cookie crumble, take this off here at the spatula, and then we're gonna use our 9-inch spring pan here for cooking cheesecakes. I've already preheated the oven to 325. So first we're gonna make our crust, and then we'll get started on making our cheesecake. So now we gotta press this down to make our crust all the way to the ends of the pan. You have to press down firmly because you wanna get this even. So I'm just gonna take my hand and press that down. Do you see that? Perfect. Now we're gonna bake this in the oven for 10 minutes to 325. So while our crust is cooking, now we're gonna make our cheesecake. So we have 24 ounces of cream cheese, room temperature. I'm gonna use this stand-up mixer, and 1 cup of sugar. So we're gonna mix this together first. We mixed this on low until all the sugar was incorporated with our cream cheese. So now we're gonna add in some more ingredients here. We have 3/4 of a cup of sour cream. We have 3 tablespoons of cocoa powder. Nice and chocolatey. We're gonna do a teaspoon of vanilla. That's the microwave. I'm melting some chocolate. We're gonna melt 8 ounces of melting chocolate. Teaspoon of vanilla, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and now our melting chocolate. Let's check that out. So I just took the melting chocolate and I usually do like 45-second intervals to like melt the chocolate because you don't want to over melt it. So I did that. I did that twice. It's all melted. And now we're going to incorporate this right into our cheesecake mixture. So I'm gonna stop this for a second and just scrape the sides. Oh my God, it looks amazing already. Nice and chocolatey. So next we're gonna add in our eggs. So we're gonna do 1 at a time, and we're gonna do it on the slowest speed. So our crust has completely cooled. So now we're ready to put in our cheesecake mixture. Bang it down a little bit. There we go. And this is ready to go in the oven. So we're gonna go 325 for an hour. And then after an hour, we'll check it, and it's gonna sit for another hour in the oven. So we've cooked this for an hour, then you turn off the oven, another hour, sitting in the oven. So cook 2 hours, and then we let it cool. And now we have this beautiful chocolate cheesecake. For the full recipe, visit nikkigleckis.com and check out tons of other dessert ideas on my website. Let's dig in. So good.